with you today. So I'm here to draw the winner for our monthly giveaway. So most of you would know by now that each month we pick a video from the previous month and all of the comments on that video go into the draw to win a prize. And this month our prize is a $50 store credit to purchase anything you like from our shop. So I will flick over and we will pick our winner. And the video that I have chosen for today is Reenie's video where she was creating a Christmas card, and she also made a little star stamp using an eraser. Very cool technique. I'll leave a link in the description box below to that video if you haven't seen it. So there were 34 comments on that video. Let's go ahead and pick the winner of our $50 store credit. Tracy, congratulations. I'm not going to try and pronounce that because I know that I will butcher it completely. So congratulations, you have won a $50 store credit. You can use that towards physical product or towards digital product, whatever you would like. You'll find our email address in the description box below. Please send us an email and we'll organise to get that to you. For everyone else, thank you so much for continuing to support our channel by leaving comments and likes on our videos. It really does help. Don't worry if you didn't win this time. There is always another chance next month. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.